Hello guys, I'm BILAL Ansari and I'm back with another video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And today I'm going to show you how to do a center split step by step, which includes preparation for split, technique and progression. Being able to do a center split is one of the coolest things, especially when you're a dancer, a gymnast, a martial artist or someone just like me who just want to show off. So let's get started. Preparing for split. Spend 10-15 minutes performing light activity to warm up your muscles before you start stretching. You can perform 15 minutes of jogging and skipping to get the blood flowing and loosen those muscles up. So now the warm up is complete. A center split needs flexibility. So now let's focus on building flexibility.
Some are born to greatness, and some achieve it. Some are born to greatness, and some achieve it. Because their hearts are great, then greatness truly is their destiny. Some are born to greatness, and some achieve it.
Technique. So technique is the most important factor over here. So now let's have a look at the mistakes you should avoid. Prevent these mistakes. I've seen a lot of people trying out splits like this, which is not at all a good form. In fact, it can hurt you and can lead to a serious injury. But no problem, I'm here to help you. I'll show you the right and the fastest way to do a split. And the last step is my number one tip. My number one secret, which made my split so better and easy, is socks. Wearing socks. Wear socks and performing a split. Also helps you slide and stretch easily and push through your limits. Progression. Split till your limits and stay there for 10-15 seconds. It should hurt a bit in your inner thighs as your skin stretches. Drop backward if it pains too much. Take help of a friend. Place your one arm on your thigh as it pushes down, while the other one on the ground for balancing. Place your hands on the ground on either side of your body. Keep practicing it every day and you will see the results soon. Maybe in a month or less than a month or more than that. It's based on your current flexibility and most importantly how badly you want to do a split. Make sure you subscribe because my upcoming video is how to do a kick up. And you can check out my other videos too. So guys, practice it every day with the proper technique shown and I'll see you in my next video. And guys, keep smiling.